Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I have a piece that I want to talk about. I bought this at the Dollar Tree and it came with two little suction pieces. These are the suction pieces. So you place this right here like so. You see what I'm saying? And then you can place it, I believe, in the bathroom. So I think it's a bathroom piece. So you can place the soap in there, has some holes. But my idea for this is different. I will flip it like this. So even though it has those holes, it's okay. It does have a base now, right? So I am thinking, since I am in the girls' room of the gigantic dollhouse and I've been changing it so much with different furniture pieces, you know, it's okay to come up with DIY pieces, something you put together, something that wasn't meant to be that, you know what I mean, repurposing. So I'm going to take this piece, and being that I have LED lights here already, if you place this against it, it looks like the LED lights are right inside, right? Now, my idea is some type of dresser. Now, I could look for a mirror that's maybe glass, like all around instead of wood, but I don't think it looks too bad. I really don't think it looks too bad. If I find one in my stash that's, you know, that matches this piece, I'll use it. But for now, this is my idea, to use this one for this piece and make it a dresser. So this is a two-piece dresser from this piece that I got at the Dollar Tree, which was not meant for this. Now, I happen to have a wooden bed. Look at this wooden bed. Matches with the mirror frame. So I want you to stay tuned for what's going to take place inside of this room. And it's going to be with the fifth doll. I haven't done anything with this one yet. So you've seen the videos on the other one. This one is the fifth doll. So this is where she's going to sleep. So I hope that you stay tuned for this beautiful upcoming room. And thank you for watching this.